So, Crystal, tell me the truth.
No, more you tell me the truth. How you get kidnapped?
So, the evening I'm like go home from dance class after I just not talk to you. I only feel when somebody run up behind me and cover my nose, and after that I'm gone.
The place where him did have you, if they make you have your phone? How you get caught? I him cut you? And you have to talk, you know? You have to tell me what I go on. You can't go to prison for this. You know, so the blood when him use, I eat him use frame bubbles.
Frame bubbles? So, them lock her up?
Them are such involved. And the only person who can clear her name right now, dead. So talk to my Annie's.
I don't want to go to prison. I swear.
And that we are trying to avoid. So you have to tell me what I'm going.
Alright, so basically, anytime I say you can help.
Help him do what?
Help me get some money for help out my family.
Money for do what? You're not working at a bar.
Well, to be honest, the bar not cut it for me.
Forget money for yourself. You risk people's life. And go in a business with a boy there?
It's not for myself. I have a 5-year-old sister who have a terminal sickness, and we did need the money for she do the surgery.
And you couldn't talk to nobody in your family about that?
My auntie don't care. From my mother passed away, she not treat none of it.
And this was the only solution for you?
Crystal, nobody never did forget hurt. If we just pretend so we get kidnapped, and him did have ask for the ransom because my auntie have the money. And to be honest with you, my sister may do all of this for.
If so much people get hurt because of your action, Yankee dead, Savage get shot, and Bubbles get in trouble. All you could have did.
To be honest, I don't care if me did. We just want to get the money for my sister for operation.
No matter what problem we're in Annie's, there's always a solution, but you have to talk to people.
So what really I got happen now, like I'm tell you the truth. Am I getting a problem or what?
If the police investigate this and find out say you involved, straight prison. That's if we tell them. Anise, the day you're here, don't make nothing like this happen again. Any problem we are go through, talk to me. Me and your friend, don't afraid to tell me nothing. The day you're free.